to join, and not just parents. Parenting will come later on. I think it's pitched as a parenting course, but it is much more than that. It's a self-discovery course, and if you know yourself, only then can you know your child, because the child has come from you. He's a part of you.
I really like the fact that this whole thing is has a rational sort of basis, right? A rational experiential basis. So for me, that's a very interesting aspect of the course. So it's been fun. I've enjoyed it. I also like the process and all of that. So we'll see how we can sort of assist the whole process.
Yes.
But thank you. It's been a pleasure.
I think Jagriti was great. It was an eye-opener to the way I think. And I always thought parenting was feeding the child, giving bath, making the child ready for school, educating. But then Jagriti made me realize that it's preparing the child emotionally, mentally, sexually, and there's much more other than feeding and passing class 10th and college and getting a job. There's respecting the child and treating him as equal, and a lot of things which made me really think.
We keep on hearing this word empowerment in our MBA curriculum, but this is where I felt what empowerment real, and I saw what empowerment. Every person who was taking the session was completely empowered, and they were doing their bit, right? They were not working for GD-Kids, they were working for themselves.
I feel empowered. No, whatever we thought, I introspected, thought in last 10 sessions is all sinking in. It's very slow. It's not like I have changed in a day, but it's a lot of thoughts going on. It's a lot of sinking. I'm not trying to experiment anything at home right now, but I think it's naturally, subconsciously, a few things are happening, like the feelings or like the beliefs, right? You kind of think that, oh, now I know about it. So you kind of think about it in your mind, and then you pause, and then you think what you want to do about it. So that's helping, and I think I have always been very excited being with my kids. Now I am super excited to be with them and see it in a whole different way now. So that's for me.